How to recover deleted TikTok messages. Let's get started. Launch your TikTok app. You will land to the home page. Now, navigate to the profile page. Once you're in this page, now click on three bars given at the top right corner. Different options will appear. Click on the option Settings and Privacy. Now here you're going to find different option. Click on the option Account. Navigate to the option Download your data. Select Data to download. Your account info and settings, your posts on TikTok or other TikTok apps, your activities such as likes, comments, favorites, and watch history, and your direct messages. Click on this option. Then you can click on Custom. Then check in for the option of Messages. Click on Done. Now click on the option Select File Format. Select the option of your choice. Then click on Request Data. Once you have submitted your request, now TikTok support team will get back to you within 4 days. Once your file is ready, you will be notified. You can come to this page. You'll get the file in this page. You can download that file, which will also include the deleted messages. So this way you can recover deleted TikTok messages. If this guide was helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.